This handlebar bag is something special. This is the all-new Viaterra Downtown magnetic handlebar bag. Yes, you heard that right. A magnetic handlebar bag, which is a part of our newly launched Downtown series of motorcycle luggage. Just like the magnetic tank bag and the quick mounting saddlebags from this series, the handlebar bag is made to match the modern classic aesthetic with elegant colors, clean lines, a well-defined shape and premium embossed leather accents. This handlebar bag features a unique and premium Fidlock magnetic mounting system that makes it effortless to mount and remove quickly. Fidlock is a premium German brand that is a global go-to for the best magnetic fasteners. You need to use the included Viaterra mounting bracket to attach the Fidlock system onto the motorcycle handlebar. Once that's done, you simply click to connect and twist to remove. And let me warn you that you're very likely to do this more often than you actually need to, because the magnetic systems are simply so satisfying. In terms of compatibility, this mounting bracket should fit on most bikes that have a gap of 9 to 11.5 centimeters at the handlebar clamp. If your bike has a crossbar handlebar or a different type of handlebar mount, you might need to wait for the future iterations of Viaterra's mounting systems. The Downtown handlebar bag has enough space to hold most things that would otherwise be in your pockets. The top flap is held in place by a neat magnetic clasp. You can access the storage compartment by opening the top zipper, which has a large pull tab, making it very easy to use even when you are wearing riding gloves. The main pocket has a soft and plush grey inner lining to make it easier to spot what's inside. There is also a flat internal pocket and a dedicated key hook to allow more organization. You also get an external zippered section for smaller, flat items. All the fittings on this handlebar bag are truly world-class. The patented Fidlock magnetic system, premium Duraflex components and genuine YKK zippers. A built-in carry handle makes it easy to carry the bag when you're off the bike. The handlebar bag is a really cool way to organize and carry your everyday gear. And like all other products in the Downtown series, it delivers in terms of looks, functionality and design. If you would like to find out more about the Downtown handlebar bag, please click on the link in the description or visit viaterragear.com.